Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start the new chapter, Fortune and the Beggar. Fortune and the Beggar. How many play? This is people in the play are Ivan a beggar. Ivan is a beggar, workman, fortune, rich man, poor man. So these are the characters of the play. Now if you when you are reading, before only I want to tell you that whatever class you are reading, just read the spellings when you are reading the chapters, because without proper spellings you can't improve in English. So spelling is very important. I'm telling you before only, spelling is very important. So whatever chapters you are reading is English, Bengali, Hindi, science, society, whatever you are reading, just read the proper spelling through the chapter so that you can get easily all the spellings easily, and you can continue the chapters very improvement very easily. It is a cold day and Ivan is sitting on a doorstep. So it is a cold day and Ivan is sitting on a doorstep, means near the door. He is shivering. Shivering means very cold. We are shivering like this, moving and rubbing his hands like this, rubbing his hands. He gets up as a rich man is seeing approaching. He gets up as a rich man is seeing approaching. When he gets up, he is watching that a rich man is coming towards him. Ivan, what a miserable day. It is as cold and wretched as I am. So Ivan told, what a miserable. What is the meaning of miserable? In a bad day. It is as cold and wretched as I am. Wretched means bad as I am. Means he's cursing his own luck. Means he is becoming unlucky day by day. The rich man enters. He looks away from Ivan, who approaches him. Ivan, can you spare anything, sir, for a poor beggar? Now Ivan asked the rich man, can you spare anything, sir, for a poor beggar? Means, can you give anything for this poor beggar? Rich man crossly, no, why did you get some work? Now rich man told, why don't you get some work? He moves away, but Ivan follows him. So he is moves away, but Ivan followed him. Ivan follows him. Ivan, no one will give me any work. Will you give me some work, kind sir? So Ivan told, no one will give him work. So Ivan told, if you kindly give me work, so that's why he is requesting. So can you give me some work? Rich man, certainly not. I don't accept you have ever done any work in your life. Now rich man told, I am sure that you have not done or not accept any type of work in your life. Means you are not eligible to do any kind of work. Lazy fellows like you don't work. Means rich man told to Ivan, you are a lazy fellow, you don't want to work. It's much easier to beg, get away. So rich man told, it is much easier to beg than to work. Means the beggar is asking for the, if Ivan is asking for the food, the rich man is telling work, the rich man is telling that it is very easy to beg than to accept something, doing some work. He pushes Ivan to one side and goes out. So he pushes Ivan and gets away and one side and goes out. Ivan says aside, I don't want to work. It would be a rest to have some regular work. Ivan says aside, I don't want to work. It would be a rest to have some regular work. If he had to beg, he would know how hard it is to make a living. Now Ivan says to rich man, it is very what? I don't want to work. It is very easy to work other things, but to beg it is very difficult, or it is very hard work to beg something from somebody. He looks up eagerly. Ivan, here is a poor man. He may be more charitable. Ivan, now Ivan is telling, here is a poor man. He may be more charitable. Now Ivan looks to other side. There's a poor man is coming. Now he thinks that this poor man will be more charitable. Means the poor man can give something to Ivan. The next page. Poor man, good day, brother. You look cold. Not the kind of weather for the poor like ourselves, is it? Now, poor man is telling Ivan, good day, brother. You look cold. Means poor man is telling to Ivan that you look cold. Means he's feeling cold. Not the kind of weather for the poor like ourselves, is it? Now, the poor man is telling Ivan, it is not the perfect weather for us, for poor people like us. Ivan, you are not in rags, sir. Could you help? You are not in rags. What's the meaning of rags? Means you are not in difficult situations. You are not in rags, sir. Could you help? Ivan telling to poor man. Poor man, no, it's all I can do to help myself. Take care of your clothes, my friend. Then they will not wear out so quickly. Now the poor man is saying, it's all I can do to help myself. Take care of your clothes, my friend. Then it will not wear out so quickly. Now the poor man is telling to Ivan, take care of your clothes. Then it will not tear. Means Shirajawa is or wear and tear. So tear it out. It will not tear so quickly. So the poor man hurries out. Means moves out. Ivan, my clothes are worn out. When I get them, I wish I had some new clothes for change. I would look after them. Now, Ivan, my clothes are worn out when I get them. So, Ivan is telling my clothes are worn out when I get them. I wish I had some new clothes. Means he is wishing that he could get some new clothes. For a change, I would look after them. So, Ivan is thinking that he would get some new clothes to change himself. They say that the poor help the poor, but not in this town. Take care of my clothes indeed. Now they say that the poor helps the poor, but not in this town. Take care of my clothes indeed. The workman comes in. Workman? What? Ivan, you look sad. Now workman is telling, Ivan? What, Ivan? You look sad. Now asking the question. Poor man is telling, what, Ivan? You are looking sad? Ivan, how can I look happy when I have nothing in the world? Now Ivan is telling, how can I be happy when I have nothing in this world? Means Ivan is not having anything. So how can he be happy? Workman, riches do not bring happiness. I am not a rich man, but I am happy. Now, the workman is telling, something rich. If you become rich, you will not bring happiness. So the workman is saying, I am not rich, but I am happy. Ivan, I would be happy if I had riches. Now Ivan is thinking that he would be happy if he became rich. Workman, no, you would not. You would not know when to stop. So the workman is saying, you don't know where to stop. Oh, Ivan is saying, oh, yes, I should. I am not like that. Ivan is thinking himself as telling, oh, yes, I am not like that. Workmen, they all say, but not one of them follows his own device. So today we will study up to here only. Because it's a long story, it is very, otherwise if I go through the story, you will not understand in one day only. So up to this, you must understand. Next day when I start this chapter, I'll summary this chapter one more time so that you can understand it. Then we will continue the chapter. Now before that I complete, I am repeatedly telling you that please submit all your homework before I complete this chapter. Otherwise again you will get these questions, and that time it will be difficult. It will be difficult for complete that question. Then again you have to complete this question. So before I complete this chapter, you must complete all that questions and submit to me. So thank you very much.